Hey guys, it's a nice evening and the lighting is perfect. It's around 3:14 evening and I just reached this location. It's just near Garga river in Bokaro, and it's such a nice location. A lot of birds here, and I've been coming here for some time right now, and I've spotted a lot of pied kingfishers, then a Stork Billed Kingfisher, common kingfisher, and white-throated here a lot. And today, within the first 15 minutes, I just spotted a Stork Billed Kingfisher. Right now he's just on the opposite side on the branch, waiting patiently to catch a fish. Too bad the kingfisher that we were just talking, he just flew away. I think he didn't have any luck finding anything here, so he just moved on to another location a little bit uh, upstream of the river event. But there are few others have showed up here. Guys, seems like there is no activity here. And the kingfisher also, whom I was just seeing earlier, he just flew ahead upstream. So let's move on to the next location, see if we find some luck there, hopefully.
Here are some of the photographs from my birding activities along Garga riverside. Most of my birding activities along Garga river happens along a 300-meter stretch, and to this day I have spotted at least 26 species of birds here. Today our target was to capture this beautiful moment of Stork Billed Kingfisher getting a good hunt, but unfortunately until now we are unsuccessful. And just when I thought of packing everything and leaving, I just heard a small noise from the riverside. I just looked towards it and I just saw the Stork Billed Kingfisher coming from the water with something inside its beak and going to the opposite riverside on a tree. It was sitting with a big fish in its mouth. I took out my camera suddenly, switched to video mode, and then this happened.